my channel. This is Zenaye and Mommy.
Hey guys.
So we're going to do blow our mouth with it. Whoa!
Alright. Cut. What's up, bougie babes? It's your girl, Suzie B, back again with another video. And this one is a special edition. Yay! We have Zenaye. This is my baby girl. Zenaye, how old are you? 3. But Zenaye will be 4 in September.
So my dad in the
The light's too bright, Mama?
no.
Sorry. So, today is Mother's Day, and I wanted Zenaye to do a video with Mommy.
Mommy, let that over what I put this on.
Oh, you want, okay.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Zenaye, so this is Mommy. So we're going to blow bubbles with our mouth.
We're not going to blow bubbles with our mouths. But, guys, I thought it would be super cool to get Zenaye on the video. And, Zenaye, let's tell the people some things about you, okay?
Okay.
What are your favorite things to do with Mommy?
I color and put poop on my head.
You color and put poop on my head? You do not put poop on my head. Oh, dear God. It's pretty horrible. Anyways, what is your favorite thing for Mommy to cook for you?
Some chicken poop.
Chicken poop? We're not getting anywhere with this video. I just want y'all to know. Okay, let's see. What is this thing doing?
Start over, Mommy.
Are you going to act right this time? Okay. So, Zenaye, can you answer the questions seriously? Do you want some... Let's put a little lip gloss on. Can you answer the questions seriously?
Okay.
Me first.
Okay.
Okay, so, Zenaye, what is your favorite thing to do with Mommy?
Mommy, I want to do her brown first.
You're so cute. Okay.
And a little bit more.
Ooh.
And no. And that, can I have more? No, that's it.
What is your favorite thing to do with Mommy?
Poop.
What is your favorite things to do with Mommy?
Go play poop.
What is your favorite thing that Mommy cooks?
Go play poop and Mommy kick poop.
Zenaye, do you watch Mommy's videos on YouTube?
What poop video?
Alright guys, that was it. Thank y'all for watching. You're not answering the questions.
I'm not over. Hi guys.
What is your favorite things to do with Mommy?
Play.
Play? What do we play?
Barbies.
Yeah. Is that so fun? What is your favorite thing that Mommy cooks for you?
Some chicken.
Chicken? And what else?
Watermelon.
Okay. Who is your best friend?
Love and desire, everybody do.
Oh.
Daddy. Brother.
Yeah, brother.
And I'm my best friend.
And you're your own best friend? Uh-oh. Here comes Zane. Zane. Come here, buddy. You want to get on camera? Yes, come here. Come talk to Mommy. The door. Come here. Come talk to Mommy. The door. Come.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Hi guys. Down below. That'll be our next video. Subscribe. Bye.
Say hi, Zane.
Bye guys.
Bye. Make sure y'all binge watch the other videos. Bye.